What I love about my MDC is everything, but if I have to choose one thing, it's my custom east-west in my XT15. It's roomy, it goes from side to side. I don't have to worry about walking around or trying to walk around husband that's still in bed in the morning to make it. So I'm straight out of there into my ensuite. It's good as gold. 3 things I can't travel without. One, obviously, is my XT15. Second is the Y62, because without it I can't tow anything. And, well, not in my Mazda anyway. And the other thing is my roast, because I've got an internal oven and I cook roast every Sunday. Yeah, my favourite trip in the van is, it's got to be this one, and I know it sounds cliche, but it's this one. Looking at 70 MDCs in a row, coming out of Birdsville into the Big Red Bash, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Gets me choked up. I'm super excited. Thanks, MDC. Good product, good people, and I'm going to have a hell of a time at this bash.